Welcome to my little tasting series. Let me go over the rules since it's only episode 1. So the rules are like there's a different theme on every episode. And imagine it's that today. So my friends and helpers go to stores and buy food related to the theme. So let's get started. The theme is Grey Wolf. First dog cookie. It looks plain, but it's okay. The ingredients are cookie dough, vanilla extract, vanilla essence, etc. Dog approved. Okay, let's give it a taste. I think it needs some chocolate chips. Now, Wolfie kisses chocolate with a surprise. Okay, seems cool. Ooh, I taste fur. Well, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and see you on the next episode. Bye.